Hello guys, good morning. I'm very happy you are here. I'm Rinske Dauna and welcome to my art channel. Today I wanted to show you this flower bouquet. Wouter gave it to me and I was here this morning and I was looking at the color play on these flowers and I thought, yeah, my next acrylic pour is gonna be based on those colors. I'll be making a diptyque with a white base. It's been a while that I only did a white base, minimal design, and I would like to have it very soft and joyful. So that's the purpose of today's painting, so we'll see how that will work. And as well, since we entered 2021, I thought I want this year to get to know you guys more as well and share more of myself too. So I started in my Instagram post and Facebook post to share more about my story, how I got into art, but also asking you about this. How did you get into fluid art or just art in general? And why? Why is this so appealing for you? Well, for me, when I'm creating an artwork, there's no worry in the world. I'm only busy with the color play and I feel very confident and at ease, so it really helps me in my life, really. This is my life, this is my passion, this is my true passion. So I was thinking I need to do some more storytelling. Also around my artworks itself, what did inspire me here? Because every artwork is inspired by something, but I'm not always aware by it. So I would like to talk more about that. So of course I was looking on Skillshare, and Skillshare is a platform for creatives by creatives. And what does that mean? Well, it's a website or an app. You can use it as well as an app with a lot of creative classes on there. Whatever you want to learn, it's on there, because I was searching for storytelling here and I got so many hits, amazing hits. Storytelling for brands, storytelling for artists, for small businesses. So I'm gonna have fun with those classes. And of course, if you check out my description below, I have a link there, and the first 1,000 people that click that link will get a free premium access to Skillshare. So definitely worth it to check it out. I can't wait to get started with my painting. I'm heading to the studio right now and I'll see you there. Okay, so I'm gonna start with just a white base and a very colorful string and blow that out. I just feel like that today. Something more normal. Okay, let's start with the white base. Let's cover all the sides. I think the white is kind of thin, or it feels very thin. Let's start with the turquoise blue. And let me just put them a bit closer like this. Okay, then I'll go for yellow. Then this violet red. Gold. And let's end with this Venetian rose. Like there's not a lot color, but let's just go with it. Okay. And I'll blow the white against those colors. Looks interesting now, eh? Okay, let's blow it out. Yeah, I can definitely see that the white is very thin because the colors really become a bit dull here. Does look good now. But the white was definitely too thin. You also see that it's coming up here and there. Yeah, quick one. All right, no, I do like it. Changed my mind here. Let's see how it dries and I'll give you a close-up. Yeah, here they are. Look at those cells here. That's cool. Way different composition than normal, hey? I will see when I edit how I blew this out. Colors are not super vibrant at the moment, but we'll see when it dries. And here you see that the cells are breaking up already. It's definitely because the white was too thin. Yeah, overall looks great.